For my presentation tool, I decided to use Keynote. I've never used Keynote before, even though it's been on my computer for a while now. I just always go with what's safe for me, and that's Google Slides, but I decided to plan Keynote around for this presentation, and I was really happy with the results. I found that it was really easy, super similar to Google Slides. I really liked how easy it was for you to change your background and play around with all the different options you had, and when you decided to add a photo, how easy it was for you to change the different types of styles of how your photo looked on your presentation. Just a couple clicks. I really liked playing around with that. But overall, I really thought that Keynote was pretty simple and easy to use once you played around with it, and I'll probably definitely use it in the future. As for my creative images, I used the Noun project, and I really liked it. I thought it was really fun. I got cool little symbols and photos to add to my presentation. You just create an account, and the next thing you know, you just type in the search engine anything like basketball. Search for an image, decide on the image you want. All you do is click on get this icon, you do the basic download, continue. You let them know what you're going to be using it for. So in a presentation or a document, choose it, you download the image, and then you just copy and paste attribution text and add it to the end of your presentation. And that's what I did, and I really liked it, and I'll probably definitely use this in the future just because I think a lot of the little symbols and photos are really cute and added a fun little flair to my presentation.